Hello, everyone. It's so good to see you. Today, we are going to learn all about family. We are going to read a story about Miriam's wonderful family. Let's begin.
Hi, I am Mariam. I am having a birthday party. I am very excited. All my family is going to be there. Let's meet them. Meet my parents. My dad's name is Eric and my mom's name is Zoe. They love birthday parties. They are always ready to have fun.
What do your parents like to do? Go ahead, I'm listening. You can start with, my parents like to. That's great. That sounds like fun.
These are my paternal grandparents. That means they are my dad's parents. They love laughing and telling jokes to one another. These are my maternal grandparents. That means they are my mom's parents. They love going to the movies. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. We have a lot of fun together. I love going to the park with them.
How many brothers and sisters do you have? Go ahead, you can start with, I have. That's wonderful. What do you like to do with them? You can say, I like to play with them. I like to dance with them. Go ahead. I'm listening. That's wonderful.
My older brother's name is Carl. He is married to Lisa. Lisa is my sister-in-law. They have an adorable baby boy. He is my nephew. My older sister's name is Annie. She is married to Raj. That makes Raj my brother-in-law. Raj and Annie have 2 daughters. That means I have 2 nieces.
Wow, Miriam has a big family. What about you? Do you have a big family?
My dad has 3 brothers and my mom has 1 brother. That means I have 4 uncles. My mom has 1 sister, so I have 1 aunt. My aunts and uncles have lots of kids, so I have lots of cousins.
How many aunts and uncles do you have? Go ahead. You can say, I have 1 uncle, or I have 3 uncles and 2 aunts. Go ahead, I'm listening. That's wonderful. What do you like to do with your cousins for fun? You can say, I like to play with them. I like to go to the park with them. Go ahead, I'm listening. That's great.
On my birthday, my parents invite all of our family. We have lots of fun at my party. We hit a piñata. I get lots of love and lots of hugs. I have a wonderful family.
Did you enjoy learning about Miriam's big family? I sure did. Well, that will be all for this lesson. See you next class. Bye. By the end of this lesson, I recognize different relationships. I understand words such as niece, nephew, brother-in-law, sister-in-law, maternal, and paternal. I can answer simple questions about relationships.